60s, and we're starting to see a couple of clouds making their way into the viewing area. Now, traditionally, that wouldn't mean much, just less that we can see the sun, but we are starting to see some changes on our radar. We have this low pressure system. You can see that perfect counterclockwise spiral of that system, and we're seeing a couple of rain spots near Denver now. That is the actual part of this system we will be seeing. These systems will actually start to join forces a little bit overnight tonight, and it will be bringing this rain to east central Illinois during the overnight period. Looking at temperatures right now, though, we're seeing pretty uniform conditions in the lower to mid 60s, a couple of outliers in the upper 60s, including 66 in Charleston, 63 in Charleston, and in Paris. And they're starting to come down from today's highs, where we were right at 63 in Charleston for our high, but a little bit warmer, 67 in Charleston and 66 further to the west in Taylorville. Overnight tonight, conditions will continue to drop, 49 degrees for our overnight low, and those clouds will start to move in even more overnight. Winds coming from the south gusting at times up to 25 miles an hour. We will start to see that rain entering around the 7 o'clock hour tomorrow morning. 52 degrees as you get out the door, and you see northern showers. That's only for areas around Champaign and Danville, but as we progress throughout the daytime tomorrow, it'll start to be more widespread showers, 58 degrees around the 2 o'clock period. But our high temperature will actually be occurring before 2 o'clock, bizarrely. 65 degrees for our high on Tuesday. That'll be happening right around the lunchtime hour tomorrow. But strong winds coming from the southwest will help with that warm up. But as that cold front pushes through, winds will shift to the northwest temporarily, but before returning back to south winds. Looking at Futurecast right now, you are starting to see those couple of clouds moving their way from the west to the east. But we'll start to see those showers around the 7 to 8 o'clock hours. And again, Champaign, Danville, certain areas of Piatt and Macon counties, we'll start to see those showers first. And as we get to the lunchtime hour, it'll start to become a little bit more widespread as this cold front continues to push through around 2 o'clock. Still widespread showers, but that system slowly working its way out. And as that cold front pushes through, that will be meaning that temperatures will be dropping for the midweek period. But right around a half an inch of rain in some places. Champaign and Danville will be seeing the most. A little bit less rain to the south, 2 inches in Effingham and in Robinson. And that will be affecting temperatures a little bit as that cold front pushes through. As we look at our farmers forecast for the rest of the work week, Tuesday again, 65 degrees. A little bit of a cool down for Wednesday, 56 degrees. And we'll see temperatures slowly start to rise up from there. 62 on Thursday and 67 on Friday. We're seeing this because of what's happening in our jet stream. We have this trough of colder air that's coming over top of us. That brings with it that cold front that will be cooling temperatures, but we have this ridge of warmer air that's currently sat over the southwest that will continue to push through to the east as we push throughout the rest of the work week. So what does the weekend have in store? Looking at your 7-day outlook, some storms, unfortunately. 71 degrees for our high, though, so back into the 70s for the weekend. And we'll see conditions even warmer on Sunday, 78 degrees for our high. Average for this time of year, right around the 70-degree mark. So we will see temperatures below average for much of this work week, but we should expect to be right about average for the start of next work week. And